नहमदहु व नुसल्लु अला रसूलिहिल करीम अमा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. Ladies and gentlemen, my respectable judges, honorable teachers and all bright future of Pakistan, Assalamu alaikum. It's Ranul Abdin Wagho. My long name maybe you forget, but my speech I hope you will remember always. Today I stand before you to disclose the biggest secret, the secret of success, which every successful person hides in their mind and heart. This secret, this key, unlock the all door of achievement. The name of this key and the agenda of my speaking is consistency is the key to success. वाकुफ नहीं जो लोग सफर के उसूल से, साए की भीख मांग रहे हैं बबूल से. वाकुफ नहीं जो लोग सफर के उसूल से, साए की भीख मांग रहे हैं बबूल से. मैं आज तक सफर में हूँ बस इस एतमाद पर, और मैं आज तक सफर में हूँ बस इस एतमाद पर, उभरेंगी मंजिलें मेरे कदमों की धूल से. My respectable judges, there are two most important days in everyone's life: the day when we born and the day when we find out why. Everyone dreams and goals to become a successful person. Everyone wants success in their life. But when we talk about success, then a question often arises in our mind and bother us that what successful people do to be succeed. Do they have any special magical formula or key? Or do they succeed just because of luck? No, my dear friends, never. Successful person never be succeed just because of luck. But yes, they have a magical formula to get success in any field of life, such as 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Similarly, consistency plus hard working is equal to success. This is the magical formula of success. Without consistency and hard working, we can't succeed in any field of life. Consistency is not only just mean working hard, it's also mean patience, focus, self-confidence, discipline, and also never giving up. When we keep step in the race of success, we face many of difficulties, problems, pains, troubles, challenges, setbacks, and also failures and obstacles. But what gives us strength to face them? That is only consistency. Consistency is not only a word, it is a very powerful weapon that can turn our dreams into reality, that can fulfill our goals, that can transform every impossible to possible, that can change our entire life. Consistency is the lamp in the journey of success which guides us towards success. We just never have to give up. We have to believe in yourself. We have to be a warrior, not a warrior. Worrying about losing is losing before winning. We have to believe in ourselves. No matter how many times we fail, never worry about making mistakes and getting failures. Mistakes happen from everyone. Everyone gets failures. You are not special. But yes, you can be special when you learn from your mistakes and failure. And my dear friends, remember that उस शख्स को कोई हरा ही नहीं सकता मेरे दोस्त. उस शख्स को कोई हरा ही नहीं सकता मेरे दोस्त, जिसने चलना ही ठोकरों से सीखा हो. The first step towards success is the force. कोशिश से गलती, गलती से सबक, सबक से तजुर्बा, और तजुर्बे से कामयाबी हासिल होती है. If we look at the history and we talk about any successful person, there is only one secret to their success, and that is consistency, and only consistency. You can take example of the life of the whole world, Thomas Edison. Do you know how many times Thomas Edison failed when he was inventing the light bulb? My respectable judges, 10,000 times he failed when he inventing the light bulb, but he never give up, never stop, never give up, never lose hope, never stop consistency. He was always consistent and believe in himself, and one day his consistency plus hard working is led to success. He said that I haven't failed 10,000 times, I have found 10,000 ways the day which don't work. My dear friends, I don't know that behind every successful man there is any woman's hand or not. But I know that very well behind every successful man there is definitely the hand of his hard working and consistency. My dear friends, we have to believe in ourselves. Never worry about making mistakes and getting failure. My dear friends, if we want to succeed in any field of life, then we have to be a consistent. And point said that कि कब तक मेरी राहों में ये अंधेरा होगा, उभरेगा कभी सूरज मेरे हाँ भी सवेरा होगा. कब तक मेरी राहों में अंधेरा होगा, उभरेगा कभी सूरज मेरे हाँ भी सवेरा होगा. और सबक सीखा है मैंने माजी की हर खताओं से, सबक सीखा है मैंने सबक सीखा है मैंने माजी की हर खताओं से, मैं मुतमिन हूँ कि इंशाअल्लाह आने वाला कल मेरा होगा। Yesterday, respectable judges, yesterday is history, tomorrow is mystery, and today is gift. That's why it's called present. Whatever we have to do now and right now. Forget the all old patrons, my dear friends. These old patrons scare us and prevent us to become a successful person. Such as कुछ पाने के लिए, no my dear friends, wrong. कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना नहीं, कुछ करना पड़ता है. We have to do something to get something, not sacrifice something. Cow give us milk, yes or no? No, my dear friends, never cow, never give us milk. We have to extract milk from her. Similarly, success never come to us by itself. We have to achieve it. We have to be consistent to get it. My dear friends, life is a book. It is up to us. What title do we give to our book? A brave, unstoppable young man or a weak, coward boy? In this cruel world, many persons try to discourage you, fail you, demotivate you. They scare you to kneel down before the problem. But my dear friends, तू अपनी खूबियाँ ढूंढ, खामियाँ निकालने के लिए लोग हैं ना. तू अपनी खूबियाँ ढूंढ, खामियाँ निकालने के लिए लोग हैं ना. देखने हैं सपने तो ऊंचे देख, नीचा दिखाने के लिए लोग हैं ना. रखना है कदम तो आगे रख, पीछे खींचने के लिए लोग हैं ना. तू अपने अंदर जुनून की चिंगारी भड़का, जलने के लिए लोग हैं ना. तू कुछ करके दिखा इस दुनिया को मेरे दोस्त, तू कुछ करके दिखा इस दुनिया को, तालियां बजाने के लिए. My dear friends, success always come to those life who consider difficulties not as a wall in their path, but also as a ladder of success. My dear friends, weak people change their decision out of the fear of this world, while the brave people change the whole world with their decision. Our mindset is our greatest weapon. And my dear friend, winning and losing is our own hand. मान लो तो हार है, ठान लो तो जीत है. And my dear friends, if we want to succeed in any field of life, there is only one way that can reach our destination, and that is consistency. And my dear friends, our blunder is that we think that my grandpa is poor, my father is poor, then I will also be a poor. No, my dear friend, it's wrong. Success doesn't give anyone feeds by looking his face or status. It just requires hard working and consistency. One thing I learned in my whole life from my spiritual teachers, Sajid Maharaj, from my father, that no one can defeat me until I defeated my own self. If I want success in my life, there is only one key that opens the all door of success, and that key is consistency. लहरों से डरकर कश्तियां पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. नन्ही चींटियां जब दाना लेके चलती हैं, चढ़ती दीवार पर 100 बार फिसलती हैं. नन्ही चींटियां जब दाना लेके चलती हैं, चढ़ती दीवार पर 100 बार फिसलती हैं. गिरकर चलना रगों में जुनून भरता है. आखिर उनकी मेहनत हर बार खाली नहीं जाती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. और मेरे दोस्त, नाकामी एक चैलेंज है, इसे कबूल करो. क्या कमी रह गई देखो और उसे बेहतर करो. नाकामी एक चैलेंज है, इसे कबूल करो. क्या कमी रह गई देखो और उसे बेहतर करो. जब तक कामयाब ना हो तुम, दिन रात को जागो तुम. मुसीबतों का मैदान छोड़कर कभी न भागो तुम. कुछ किए बिना ही वाहवाह नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की. थैंक यू सो मच.